Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to do Discord colored text on the Discord app or the web-based application. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So as of filming, Discord currently, they don't have like a color palette where you can select the color of the text. You actually need to do this in a kind of format when you type in. So what I mean by this is if I actually come to my Discord app, and there's a few colors that you can do this for, and I've got them all down here on the notepad. So for example, if I wanted to go for a red text, what I would do is do this. So I would put 3 of the, I'm not sure what these are called, but like sort of diagonal quotation marks, and then DIFF as in different, and then you would just go down and put a dash and then enter your text, so red, and then underneath that you need to put the 3 diagonals again, and you can see we got the color red. Then we've got orange, which is available. So for this one, what we need to do is the 3 funny diagonal thingies, CSS. Then what we need to do is the, not this bracket, but the square bracket. And then we would type our text in. And then again, just the 3 diagonals after, hit enter, and we got orange. Then you've got yellow, which is a bit more simpler. What you need to do is the 3 diagonal things, and then you put fix. You don't need to put brackets or dashes or anything. You just literally type the text in, yellow, and then 3 after to post it. We got yellow. Okay, and another one we've got is a kind of bluey, greeny colour. So for this one, we do 3 lines and then bash, and then we need to use quotation marks like so, and then put our thingy in, wherever we want to type. 3 lines after, and we got this blue, greeny, turquoisey kind of colour. And then you've got this one, which is definitely blue. So you put INI, and then you do the square brackets again, like so, to get a blue colour. And that's the colours. So you've got red, orange, yellow, this kind of turquoisey colour here, and a blue colour. So that's the 5 colours, and that's how you enable colour text on Discord. If you did find that helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.